Welcome to BoldSign. In this video, you'll learn how the BoldSign eSignature extension for Chrome helps you handle everyday document tasks directly from your browser, still switching between emails, tabs, and different tools to manage your work. The BoldSign browser extension makes it easier to handle your eSignature tasks. While you work online, you can start signing workflows directly from your browser toolbar and send documents for eSignature without opening the full BoldSign web app. It also helps you track document status and send reminders faster with fewer clicks. To get started, install the BoldSign browser extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once it is added to your browser, pin it to the toolbar so you can access it quickly whenever you need it. Next, open the extension and sign into your BoldSign account. After connecting your account, you can start managing your signing workflow directly from the browser. The first thing you can do is check documents that need attention. Open the extension, and you'll be able to view documents based on their current status. For example, you can see documents waiting for your signature, documents waiting for others, and documents that have already been completed. This helps you quickly understand what needs action, without opening the full BoldSign web app every time. If you are looking for a specific document, use the search option. You can search using details such as the document name, signer name, email address, or document ID. This makes it easier to find the right document quickly, especially when you are handling multiple signing requests. You can also use filters to narrow down the list by document status. For example, if you only want to check documents that are waiting for others, apply the relevant status filter. This helps you focus on the documents that need follow-up instead of going through the entire list. If a document is pending with a signer, you can send a reminder directly from the extension. Choose the reminder option and send it to the signer. This is useful when you want to keep the signing process moving without drafting a separate follow-up email or switching to another tool. You can also open completed documents and download them when needed. This helps you quickly access signed files from your browser, whether you need them for your records, client communication, or internal processing. For repeated workflows, you can use templates. From the extension, access your available templates and start a new signing request from the template. This saves time when you regularly send the same type of document, such as agreements, approvals, or standard forms. Instead of setting up the document from the beginning each time, you can start with a ready-to-use template and move faster. With the BoldSign Chrome Extension, you can launch eSignature workflows directly from your browser toolbar and send or manage documents without navigating through the full web app. It also allows you to track signing progress and take quick actions with fewer clicks, helping you stay productive and efficient. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more BoldSign tutorials. Thank you for watching.